Hello world! On Kevin post he said that my first time in Doha and the National Museum of Qatar was the perfect place to start exploring. Designed by Jean Nouvel, the building is a masterpiece of interlocking discs, creating a dynamic, almost futuristic silhouette. It's impressive from each angle, constantly shifting, with the light excited to discover everything Doha has to offer in the next few days. From the water to the racetrack, kick things off with jet ski feeling the rush of speed firsthand. What a perfect physique body you has, Kevin. We all feel in here the beating fast of your jet ski. Then watch the E1 race bring the adrenaline to a whole level, an unreal experience from start to finish. What we are all waiting for, let's go and visit Qatar so we can also explore and experience the adventure. Amazing day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!